So how does the Labour Party remove a leader? A burning question following the demolition of Labour in the 2026 local elections, Starmer has made it clear he doesn't want to go, and he had some support on Friday from senior members of the party. A few more said he should stay in place, but that the party needed to change direction. And then Catherine West, the MP for Hornsey and Friar Barnet, dropped the hammer, issuing an ultimatum saying if Starmer doesn't resign or a cabinet member does not issue a challenge by the end of Monday the 11th of May, she will do it herself. She feels she has the backing of at least 10 MPs, and another MP said they thought they could get 81, which is the number needed to trigger the challenge. But what's the process for challenging a Labour leader? Well, a leadership election can only be triggered if the leader resigns or if Labour MPs launch a challenge. Anyone wishing to challenge must be supported by 20% of the Labour MPs to formally start the process. Because of the Labour landslide in 2024, that would be 81 MPs. Not a small number. If the challenger secures the 20%, they let the party's General Secretary know, and that fires the starting gun of the battle. But challengers must also gain broader backing from the party, and this involves securing nominations from either 5% of constituency parties or 3 party affiliates, 2 of which must be trade unions. Importantly, the rules dictate that all challengers must be sitting MPs. External figures are currently ineligible to run. That means someone like Andy Burnham can't run for the leadership. If the 5% and 3 affiliates required is met, they move to a full membership ballot. Starmer is on the ballot automatically without needing to collect nominations. Labour's National Executive Committee then determined the timeframe and means of voting. Starmer would stay as Prime Minister until the leadership contest is resolved. It's also worth pointing out that if Starmer doesn't survive the contest, that does not trigger a general election, no matter how much Reform insist. Much in the same way that Conservatives didn't when Cameron, May, Johnson, Truss or Sunak did at various points in the last 15 years. This is an ongoing issue and will be continuing in the news in recent days. So if you want to see more about our takes on the situation, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned, and we'll see you on the next one.